10 things green tea may do for your body. Green tea, made from the leaves of the Camellia sinensis plant, is a popular beverage known for its numerous health benefits. Packed with antioxidants and other beneficial compounds, green tea can positively impact your body in several ways. Here are 10 things green tea may do for your body. 1. Boosts metabolism and aids in weight loss. Green tea is well known for its metabolism-boosting properties. The catechins and caffeine in green tea can enhance fat oxidation and increase energy expenditure, helping you burn more calories. Regular consumption of green tea can support weight loss and weight management efforts. 2. Improves brain function. Green tea contains caffeine and the amino acid L-theanine, which work together to improve brain function. Caffeine enhances alertness and concentration, while L-theanine promotes relaxation without causing drowsiness. This combination can improve overall cognitive performance, including memory and attention. 3. Provides powerful antioxidants. Green tea is rich in antioxidants, particularly catechins like epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG. These antioxidants help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals, reducing the risk of chronic diseases and promoting overall health. 4. Supports heart health. The antioxidants in green tea can help improve heart health by reducing LDL cholesterol levels and increasing HDL cholesterol levels. Green tea also helps improve blood vessel function, lower blood pressure, and reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases. 5. Enhances oral health. Green tea has natural antibacterial properties that can help improve oral health. The catechins in green tea can inhibit the growth of bacteria and reduce the risk of dental issues such as cavities, gum disease, and bad breath. 6. Lowers the risk of type 2 diabetes. Green tea can help regulate blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity, reducing the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Regular consumption of green tea may help stabilize blood sugar levels and promote better overall metabolic health. 7. Promotes healthy skin. The antioxidants in green tea can help protect your skin from damage caused by UV radiation and other environmental factors. Green tea can reduce inflammation, improve skin elasticity, and promote a healthy, glowing complexion. Topical application of green tea extract can also help treat acne and other skin conditions. 8. Reduces the risk of cancer. Green tea's powerful antioxidants can help protect cells from DNA damage and reduce the risk of certain types of cancer. Studies have shown that regular consumption of green tea may lower the risk of breast, prostate, and colorectal cancers. 9. Enhances physical performance. The caffeine in green tea can improve physical performance by increasing the release of fatty acids from fat tissue, making them available for use as energy. This can enhance endurance and reduce fatigue during physical activities, making green tea a popular choice for athletes and fitness enthusiasts. 10. Supports a healthy gut. Green tea has been shown to promote a healthy gut microbiome by encouraging the growth of beneficial bacteria and inhibiting the growth of harmful bacteria. A healthy gut microbiome is essential for digestion, nutrient absorption, and overall immune function. Incorporating green tea into your daily routine can offer a multitude of health benefits, from improved brain function and heart health to enhanced physical performance and skin health. This ancient beverage is not only delicious and refreshing, but also a natural way to support your overall well-being. As with any dietary change, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before making green tea a regular part of your diet, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking medication. Enjoy a cup of green tea today and reap the many benefits it has to offer.